So here we are at the Kolb Nature Center in Hollywood, Florida. It's clearly raining.
We decided to,
and we're under this gazebo here.
maybe normal people, as soon as it would have started raining, we would have ran back to the main building, but instead we ran further deep into the park. And now we're at the edge.
And here is Bella.
Well, we got this beautiful little covering, and Isabella's having a good time.
Yeah. Hi, Isabella.
Say hi to the video.
Here's Mama. And now it's starting to let up a little bit. Just a little. You can see the rain and the ominous sky. Bella. Hi, Chucho.
What do you want to see what time it is? It's 12:15. Don't worry, it's not time for you to eat yet.
We didn't give her carrots. Not carrots, her sweet potato last night. That's okay. That's alright.